must be shared the same stupidity and you're over the age of 18. Your parents will tell me.
What are you doing?
Oh, no.
What are you doing?
It's a shadow.
Ridge Road. Ridge Road.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Ridge Road. Yes. Oh, David.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, is that
What are you doing? What are you doing?
ready?
Go.
Oh shit!
I love how I got that on video.
I did it on purpose.
Yeah, whatever. Okay. And then something happened.
Oh.
You have to turn
Of
somewhere.
That's the end of the instruction.
Oh, they're noodles. So we're trying to go down there. All
You're
the way
breathing
down
heavily.
there. Scary. We came from all the way up there.
Cross.
Do you see the cross? It means we're going to die here. Hopefully not. We went through this way, and I can't even videotape because,
Force of gravity again?
you know, 9 point something. We got here, you know, how we had to climb down all these stairs. This is kind of a workout.
Better now.
And you gotta go all the way down there.
Better not be like what we're seeing.
No, it's actually not there.
That's actually more water than what we're seeing.
Yeah.
Yo, let's go in here.
No, that's not.
No, it's quick.
Okay, you go.
Go in, but leave your car keys.
No, wait here. Sid, come with me. You have a flashlight?
Oh, I was gonna ask you to bring one.
Doo, doo, doo. That's where we were supposed to go down.
my foot feels so nasty right now. Well, you know what, Sid? That's the price.
Well, at least you know someone's been here. Holy crap, we just came from down there. You can't even see it.
Wow.
Shit.
Okay, now I'm proud of myself.
Aren't you? Wait, I think there's an easier way.
Probably.
Yeah, there's always an easier way. Of course we have to take the hard way. Holy crap. Did you want to take pictures on top of the waterfall? Holy crap. Holy crap. We almost just died. You realize we could have died there?
You could have. You didn't.
It's still cool. Look, this is the punch bowl, guys. Yeah. Nice guy who's showing us how to get out safely, because we're not safe at all. Look how much, look how deep. This is how we died. It's exactly.
Behind me there's a train.
This is exactly how we died. Exactly. I keep getting bitten by stuff. We should probably walk faster. Oh, you have to walk from there?
Should we? Oh, here.
Yeah, I do.
Sand sanitizer.
I do, it's in there.
Sand sanitizer. You have sand sanitizer?
Well, none of you guys have pockets. So.
I don't. Oh yeah, I do. I just don't want to.
Because my pockets are small.
We made it here. Again. There's so much water now. We didn't get this angle last time because I lost it. She's coming closer! Scary! Ah! Look at the guy in the red shirt. He's intense. What the hell? How did he do that? Hell. Look at these guys. Huh? What? What? What?
Another critique.